In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this Roblox version is out of date error on your Android phone or tablet. So the first thing you need to do is locate the Roblox icon on your phone or tablet, long press on it and then tap on this info icon right here. Now here go to force stop and then tap OK to confirm. Once you have done this, head to the settings app on your phone. Now tap the search icon and then type in date and time. Now select date and time, tap on it again. Now make sure you have enabled automatic date and time and automatic time zone. If your phone or tablet is set to an incorrect date or time, Roblox may not work and show you errors, so make sure to do this. Now go back to the main settings page, tap the search menu again and then search for VPN. Now select VPN. Now make sure VPN is not connected on your phone or tablet. If you are using one, make sure to disconnect it from here. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply long press on the Roblox icon and then uninstall it. Once you have done this, simply head to the Play Store and download Roblox again and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.